So every thought I create is reaching 4 places. Feeling, second, body, third, people, fourth, the world. Now, if I am not happy today, if I am not perfect healthy today, if my relationships are not perfect today, and if my world is not happy today, it's here. It's here. This is the seed of our life. Rest is only the tree. Isn't it? संकल्प से सृष्टि कहते हैं ना हम, संकल्प से सृष्टि, which means my thought creates my world. So which means the attention has to go only on the seed. We are watering the tree. We are watering every leaf. You be happy, you be happy, you be happy. For the seed, water the seed. Oh, I don't have time because my tree is so big. How much time to water the seed? How much time to water the seed? And that's why, how much time to meditate in the morning? 15 minutes. Water the seed. And don't do that, water the tree. Keep washing this leaf. By the time you reach here, this will get dried up. Even the whole day, the whole life is not enough to heal the tree. But you want to heal the seed, 15 minutes is all that it takes. And once I start nurturing the seed, which is here, automatically every thought that will arise from that seed will be right. Automatically I will be happy, healthy, relationships in harmony. The world will be fine. So attention goes back only to my thoughts. So one awareness that it is my thought, which is the seed. Second awareness, my thought is not dependent on. So the quality of my seed is not dependent on the tree. The quality of the tree is dependent on the seed. है ना? Seed से tree है, tree से seed नहीं है. So what I feel is not dependent on my world outside. It is how I am feeling which creates my world outside. So power comes back to me and makes it very, very simple. Now, I now only need to master the art of being able to create the right thought every time. Easy? 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 If you say easy, that's your first right thought. And if you say no, then that's your first. Now we will start changing every thought because we know the thought is creating my destiny. Destiny means my tree is getting created by my thought. Put your left hand out and keep any issue of your life on that. Anything. Your habits, your sanskars, your health, anything here. And on your right hand, you keep your state of mind in relationship to this situation. So here is my situation, or I may call it my problem in life, and here is my state of mind. Right? Now we just saw that my right hand is not dependent on my left hand. Right? My feeling is not dependent on my situation, but my situation is dependent on how I'm feeling. So it is not Srishti se Sankalp, it is Sankalp se Srishti. Agreed? Agreed? 100% in every situation? It is not situation which influences my state of mind. It is my state of mind which will manifest into the situation and influence the situation. Sankalp se Srishti. Agreed? Okay. Put your problem here and keep it at 50%. Now, if I start creating a thought for this, प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम, कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक ही नहीं हो रही, ठीक ही नहीं हो रही, ठीक ही नहीं हो रही, मेरे भाग्य में क्यों ये प्रॉब्लम आई, ये बीमारी आई, ये दुख आया, ये एक्सीडेंट आया, ये चोरी आई, ये फेलियर, प्रॉब्लम प्रॉब्लम प्रॉब्लम. So when I start creating these thoughts, what will happen to this 50% problem? It will increase. You sure about this? But the problem was only 50%. Why should it increase? So my thoughts have the power to increase the problem. How many of you feel my thoughts have the power to increase my problem? So if my thoughts have the power to increase the problem, then my thoughts must be having the power to reduce the problem also. Very good. So now problem is 50. If I want to take it to 50 to 60, I say problem hai, ye hai, theek hi nahi hogi, wo nahi. Okay, we know how to do that. Now to take the problem from 50 to 40. हाँ जी, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. सबसे पहली बात तो प्रॉब्लम ही बोलना बंद कर दो उसको, पहले ही वो कम हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट शुड आई स्टार्ट कॉलिंग इट? हाँ जी, ऑब्स्टिकल. उससे भी अच्छा कुछ बोल सकते हैं. What we are doing now, we are not doing anything to the problem. We are working on how I am going to think about the problem, because I have understood the equation that my thinking will affect the problem, not the problem affecting my thinking. So I am going to take charge of where the control room is. So where is the control room? Here. So now I know which button I press and what will happen outside. So if I said problem है, बनती नहीं, मेरी बनती नहीं, इनके साथ मेरी बनती नहीं, कितना भी कोशिश करो बनती नहीं, कितना भी try, every thought, what is it doing to the relationship? मेरे को दर्द है, बीमारी है, ठीक होता ही नहीं, कुछ भी करो ठीक होता ही नहीं. What will happen to the body? The pain will increase. Why? Because my every thought is influencing how I feel, is radiating to my body, is going to people, and is going out into the world. So now it's at 50%. Please give me some thoughts to make it 40. Okay, 1. So we are not calling it a problem, we are calling it a situation in my life. फर्क है? फर्क है? शब्दों में फ़र्क है या फीलिंग में भी फ़र्क है? फीलिंग. वैसे भी प्रॉब्लम का कोई साइज नहीं होता है. सेम सिचुएशन विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. इन द हाउस, इन द फैमिली, फॉर द सेम सिचुएशन somebody will say कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. Somebody will say हाँ प्रॉब्लम है. Somebody will say छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है. फोर्थ पर्सन will say कहाँ है प्रॉब्लम, इतनी सी तो बात है. Same problem. Same problem. So what is the size of the problem? Depends on my way of thinking, and it depends on my power. It's like this table. If I am weak, I will say table कितनी भारी है. Somebody else will say ठीक है, इतनी भी कौन सी भारी है. Third person will say क्या वेट है, एक हाथ से उठ जाती है. और कोई आएगा कहेगा मैं तो एक उंगली से उठा दूँ. The table is same, but the people who are going to lift the table are at different strengths. So depending on my strength, I perceive the weight of the problem. So let's remove the word problem and let's make it powerless just by not calling it a problem. परमात्मा कहते हैं तूफान को भी तोहफा बोलना शुरू कर दो. तूफान आया जीवन में नहीं, ये तोहफा आया है मेरी शक्ति को भी बढ़ाने के लिए. So one will not call it a problem. Anything else? What can I do to that? I have to make it from 50 to 40, then 40 to 30, then 30 to 20. We'll do that now. Come on. Yeah, so what should I create for this? Okay, let's say I'll keep it a simple problem. My body is not feeling well. Now, what should I radiate? so that it will go from 50 to 40 to 30. हाँ, so specify ना, we'll have to specify what thought I have to create. If I radiate the thought, मैं बीमार हूँ, मैं बीमार हूँ, मैं बीमार हूँ, मैं बीमार हूँ, very easy way to take it from 50 to 40. दर्द हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, easy to take it from 50 to 60. Now 50 to 40. Specify what thought. हाँ, I'm feeling great, very good. Or specific thought. So what is that positive energy? Specific thought. मैं ठीक हो रहा हूँ, very good. Take it higher. मैं ठीक हो रहा हूँ implies कि मैं बीमार हूँ, मैं ठीक हो रहा हूँ. मैं very good. See, we know how to give blessings. We don't need to go anywhere else to ask people, please give blessings. Who is going to give blessings the whole day? We, my every thought will have to be a blessing to that issue in my life. If this is my problem and I start creating a thought, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, तो ये दर्द कम होने लगेगा या नहीं होने लगेगा? और अगर यहाँ से नहीं भी कम होगा, यहाँ से तो कम हो जाएगा, बिकॉज आई हैव स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग द राइट थॉट्स. तो द बॉडी कुड बी हर्टिंग, द माइंड विल बी फाइन. सो सफरिंग आदि हो गई. किसी को 100 बुखार होता है तो भी वो बहुत दुखी होते हैं, कहते हाय हाय मैं बीमार हो गया, हाय मैं बीमार हूँ. सो द बॉडी इज नॉट इन पेन, द माइंड इज इन पेन. एंड समबडी कुड बी इन अ वेरी एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ अ टर्मिनल इलनेस एंड दे आर सो हैप्पी. होते हैं कि नहीं ऐसे लोग? होते हैं ना. बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट बॉडी विच इज़ गोइंग टू डिसाइड माई स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, इट इज़ माई स्टेट ऑफ माइंड विच विल इन्फ्लुएंस द बॉडी. सो वी स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग अ थॉट, परफेक्ट है, ठीक है, बढ़िया है, सब ठीक है, दर्द कोई दर्द नहीं है. मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर नॉर्मल है. अब अगर मैं रोज़ बोलूँ मेरे को हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, मेरे को हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, मेरे को हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, मेरे को हाई, आसपास के भी लोग बोलते हैं तो जीवन भर ही रहेगा, तथास्तु. संकल्प से सिद्धि होती है, संकल्प से सिद्धि होती है. तो संकल्प को बहुत ध्यान से करना है. बिकॉज माई एवरी थॉट इज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग माई डेस्टिनी. सो लेट द वर्ल्ड से कि ये जीवन भर रहेगा, यू टेल योर सेल्फ मैं अभी अपना ठीक करने वाला हूँ. If I send a message every day I have high blood pressure, तो obviously वो high रहेगा, because I'm creating stress and anxiety. Now I will start saying ये बिल्कुल normal है, normal है, normal है. It will not happen miracle in 2 days, but over a period of time I have started radiating the right thought to my body. It is mind over matter. Matter will start responding. होगा ऐसा? Now, one is for how I am feeling physically. Now my relationship, मेरी इनसे बनती नहीं, पता नहीं इनको मेरे से क्या प्रॉब्लम है. जब देखो कुछ गड़बड़ी हो जाता है. What will happen with all these thoughts? The relationship will get. Now, here is my relationship with a 50% conflict. Please radiate a nice thought. हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छी. अच्छा, वो बहुत अच्छी है. हाँ, यस, वो तो वो वैसे भी है. और let's give a thought to our relationship. My relationship is, my relation, हाँ जी, no, higher. Let's raise the frequency of our thoughts. We will not say this relationship should be okay. I hope this relationship is okay. This relationship could be okay. This relationship is perfect. Better भी नहीं, better भी, जैसा सोचेंगे वैसा ही बनेगा. बेटर बोलेंगे तो सिर्फ बेटर ही होगा, और परफेक्ट बोलेंगे तो परफेक्ट हो जाएगा. अब इफ़ माई रिलेशनशिप इज़ इन अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस रिलेशनशिप इज़ परफेक्ट, मैं झूठ तो नहीं बोल रही. यहाँ तो बोलचाल ही बंद है, एंड आई एम सेइंग परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट है. सो एम आई लाइंग टू माई सेल्फ? Yes, I am. Why? Because I have understood the equation that I will not create a thought of what the situation is. I will create a thought of what I want the situation to be, because it is not Srishti se Sankalp, it is Sankalp se Srishti. So I know that what thought I will create will radiate and will manifest. तो मुझे सिर्फ वो ही सोचना है एंड वो ही बोलना है which I want my destiny to be.